Hello everyone and welcome to Vibrant Career Scope. My name is Karthik and today we are back with a new exam detail, KVPY. Today we will talk about KVPY, so let's start. About KVPY, its full name is Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. It was started in 1999 and it is conducted for student of class 11th, class 12th and class first year student in UG in basic sciences. And it is conducted and managed by Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru, and it is funded by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. The main objective of this exam is to attract exceptionally bright students in the field of research in basic sciences. Why KVPY? There are several reasons to take KVPY. Out of them, few are here. Reputation. It is the most prestigious exam after 10th class in basic sciences. Financial. You will get 5,000 rupees fellowship as well as 20,000 rupees contingency annually if you are a KVPY scholar. Benchmarking. This national level exam has a competition of, it is a huge competition. That means approximately 1 lakh students take this exam every year. Admissions. If you are a KVPY scholar, you can directly go in various reputed institutes like ISARS and Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. Importance of being a KVPY fellowship winner. So what are the importance? Let's talk about. Library and laboratory access. A KVPY scholar can go to any national library or laboratory. Research project. Every individual who qualify KVPY are allowed to work under scientists or scholars of the respective fields. Seminars and summer camps. A KVPY scholars is allowed to go in any national seminars and summer camps. Institutional visits. KVPY scholars spends 1 week or 2 weeks in under any scientific institution under the expert guidance. Fellowship structure. Now we talk about the fellowship structure. It is applicable for UG and PG courses in basic sciences. Streams are SA for class 11th, SX for class 12th, SB for class first year in UG. Courses and degree programs are UG courses and PG courses. In UG courses, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Statistics, Bachelor of Maths are there. In PG courses, integrated Master of Science, Master of Mathematics and Master of Statistics are there. Monthly fellowship, 5,000 rupees monthly fellowship is provided during UG program and 7,000 rupees fellowship is provided during PG program. Annual contingency, 20,000 rupees contingency is provided to the KVPY scholar for annually in UG courses, and 28,000 rupees annual contingency is provided to a KVPY scholar during the PG courses. KVPY aptitude test. This aptitude test consists of 2 stages. Stage 1 is KVPY aptitude test. Second stage is interview, which will not be happen this year due to COVID-19. Examination mode is in, it is on online exam, which will conducted in only CBT mode. Examination duration and time. This exam duration is 3 hours, and for essay it is from 9 to 12 p.m. and for SX and SB it is from 2:30 to 5:30 p.m. Subject tested are physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Medium of instruction are in English and Hindi. Now the examination fee for general and OBC category is 1,250 rupees, and for other reserved categories ST, ST, PW is 625 rupees. Paper structure. The number of question in essay streams are 80 question, and in SX and SB stream are 120 question. If we talk about part wise question, then part 1 consists of 60 question, part 2 consists of 20 question. In SX and SB stream, part 1 consists of 80 question, part 2 consists of 40 questions. If we talk about subject wise question, then part 1 consists of 15 question in each subject, physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology, and part 2 consists of 5 question in each subject, which is physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. Whereas we talk about SX and SB stream, then part 1 consists of 20 question in each subject, whereas part 2 consists of 10 questions in each subject. You will get +1 marks in SA and SX SB stream for every right answer, and +2 will be provided in part 2 in SA and SX and SB all streams, and 1/4 marks will be deducted in both of the stream. Parts subject to be attempted, then how many number of questions to be attempted by a student in SA stream? Every question is compulsory to attend, and for SX and SB stream you can attempt 60 questions out of 80 questions in part 1, and you can attempt 20 questions out of 40 questions in part 2. Maximum marks are 100. Attempt time per question is 135 seconds, that is 2 minutes 15 seconds. Syllabus of KVPY. There is no prescribed syllabus in their website, but based on past trends, we have collected some syllabus which will be available in our Telegram channel, Vibrant Career link, Career Desk, sorry. It is available here, so you can download it from here. Level of competition. If we talk about the level of competition of this exam, then approximately 1 lakh students take this exam. Out of them, 3,000 students approximately are selected. That means if we talk about the success rate, then the success rate is only 2%. Then it means this exam is very high level of competition. Important dates. So if you want to apply for this exam, you have to apply before 28th of August, because 28th of August is the last date of application of this exam. You can download admit card in the second week of October. This exam will conduct on 7th of November and the result will be declared in December. This is the link to apply. And how to apply? There are 3 steps to apply. First is registration, second filling personal and academic details, choosing test center and uploading photo, signature and other certificates. Third step is payment, as we all know. Now, if you want to prepare for KVPY in last few months which are remaining, then you can prepare with Vibrant Academy. Vibrant Academy is providing you an online workshop for SA and SX stream, in which we are providing you discussion classes as well as practice sheets, mock test and paper discussion session. So if you want to apply, you can call on the given numbers. Thank you.